As you see, they're going down. They're going down and they're coming back around. I think the drive is like 2 miles up. And then they all come back around. Alright, buddy, that's dumb. Yes, sir. I might have got some of these, but I ain't sure. Scratching them brakes, boy. I know I got some of them, but I didn't get all of them, so I'm just making sure I get all of them in the video, man. Some perfect, nice cars out here. Some great, great trucks. Some big motors. A little bit of everything, guys. A little bit of everything. Even them laws is out here, man. Boy, look at him. That's what I'm talking about. Oh, they even got the donk out here today. They got the donk out here today, boy. Like I told you, all genres. Cars from all over is down here right now, man. Enjoying it. Cars from all over. This is El Reno, Oklahoma. Small town weekend, they call it. In El Reno, Oklahoma, guys. And if you want to know, they riding the great 66.